Alright guys, so we got pulled over. Apparently was doing 56 and a 35.
Do you think we're getting a ticket?
Yeah.
Is it a yes or a hell yes?
Yeah.
So we did get a ticket, which I knew. My question is, maybe you guys know, you could drop it in the comments below, but so this cop was coming from the opposite side of the road, and when he pulled me over, he said, I got you doing 56 and a 35. So my question to that is, and I should have said this on the spot, but I didn't think of it till after, how would he have known that? Or is that just a generic number that he threw out?
Right.
My thinking is that 56 puts you in another bracket, so you have to pay more money to get no points. So, needless to say, I will be back to Tuxedo, New York, because I don't like having points on the license.
As if taking 4 hours to get here today wasn't enough.
Oh my gosh, here's the lesson.
We're gonna do it again.
First of all, I'm not this fat. I don't know what's up with that. But regardless, lesson in all this though is that we've been having little things like issues happen all morning.
Here, I'm trying to get in a good spot.
It's all good, that's fine. And I just feel like sometimes when, you know, the enemy comes to steal your joy, you just gotta say no. Like, unfortunately, this is probably gonna be $400, $500, $600. But
Yeah.
like I was telling Nat, like, it's money, you know. And I know depending on where people are at in life, they may be like, wow, that's, you know, that's insane, you know, but
You pay your dues somehow.
yeah, that's really it, right? It's
Living
like
here.
we're blessed, man. We always have more than we need, so you know we don't let the enemy get us upset about this type of stuff. You know, we're just rocking it out. We're gonna have a great hike, and you know,
And an awesome rest of the day.
yeah, we got beautiful weather, so it happens. So you know, we'll actually give you guys some good content in just a little bit. We'll let you know what's going on.
You missed all the trials so far.
You did miss all the trials for sure, but it's going to be a good one without a doubt. So.
My mom's texting asking how we're doing.
Yeah.
Mom, if you're watching this, I just got the speeding ticket.
Yeah.
Let you know in a second.
Right. So, love you guys. See you there. We interrupt your regularly scheduled broadcast to bring you Angry Orchard.
So we are here, upstate. We're feeling good, guys. We're having positive vibes only today.
Right.
And we found this on the side of the road, so we're gonna take some photo ops
Boom.
and enjoy the view. Show them around. It's so nice. Like, the roads are beautiful.
Yeah.
Check my swag.
Super cool up here. Minus, there you go. Biker shorts, chancleta socks. Everybody loves it. But yeah, just super nice area up here, like real nice homes. I don't know if we could get in here, but I would love to go here after we hike. So
There's signs. It says things.
yeah, let's walk you over here real quick so you could see. If anyone is curious where Angry Orchard is, that's the address. Albany Post Road. Oh yeah. Cider Garden and Treehouse tours. Oh man, yeah, we might have to make a little detour here. That's amazing. Yeah, cool spot.
here at the top of the waterfall, so show this.
So it feeds in from there and then goes all the way down off the ledge.
Alright, let me get away from the ledge. We did it, guys. We went under the waterfall. How do you feel about it? How was it for you?
Oh, amazing. So that was the second or third waterfall of my life. So
My first.
we'll be honest, the sign said don't go on this waterfall, but
Had a nice.
I didn't see it either. I heard it was a rumor. Legend. Amazing.
Alright guys, we're on the edge of the world here. It might be loud, but I don't know if you can see that. That was actually the waterfall we were under.
In a short clip, we'll put it right here.
Yeah, we'll put it right there, yeah.
We are sitting here, I'll give you a little view, on this massive lake, which is awesome, except we had to hike so far to get here, and there's only this little tiny beach with mad people on it. So
We found our own spot though.
we did find our own spot. We're sweaty, we're
What?
tired, yes, but it was cool checking it out. It is a beautiful view, but if you ever come to Lake
Stony Kill Falls.
right, Lake Minnesota, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, Minnesota, I think it's that, but
It's Moskowaki.
something, I don't know what it is. Yeah. Don't come to the lake part unless you have a kayak, because it's pointless. So go to the waterfall, it's much cooler.
Yes, go to the
which you guys saw.
waterfall.
So yeah, until the next vid, or the next
Is this our
part,
outro?
well, the next part of it.
Okay, yeah, next
Yeah.
part of it. We gotta get used to it.
Yeah, we gotta eat, so
We're
hopefully we have
bringing
foam battery left. So catch you
Until then.